Yo, what's going on, guys? Brayden here, and welcome to day 350 something of the dropshipping journey. It is absolutely crazy. You guys can see from the view, we landed in Canary Islands, Tenerife. I'm literally on top of like the terrace of some like big mansion. Villa. It's crazy. We made it. Like, I'm literally recording on the balcony here. We got the pool, soccer field and whatnot. Man, it's a big house. I'm gonna have to give you guys an MTV tours with the boys, but we're having a crazy work sesh downstairs, and I just wanted to get some content out. Just talk to the camera. So far, man, I haven't slept in like 30 plus hours. By the way, y'all know if y'all watch the streams, I never sleep. But man, it was a crazy long day of traveling. But all the boys are here. Ben, Otan, Jason, and I. It has been quite the productive day, and it's just amazing, like to see like finally something that shows the fruits of my labor and my effort. Is this, I'm not like a super materialistic person. I've got a couple nice things, but for the most part, I haven't really had much to show, for what I've accomplished. I haven't really accomplished much, let's be real, but just being here now, it doesn't even feel real. So it's just a crazy feeling. In under a year, I spoke about it in a recent video. Like, it's been just under a year, and this is where we're at. And there's a lot bigger things to come, but this is really all it is, man. Like, just taking action and never giving up. I say it in all my videos. It's really all you got to do. I took action one day, and I never gave up. And like, you literally cannot fail if you never give up. You could be in the same position as any single one of us. Even maybe next year, maybe even a couple months from now on another trip. We'll be with some of you guys. So please take action and never give up. But so far, the start of this trip has been a little bit stressful, just getting everything in line, like renting a car, checking into the B&B, getting groceries. We're in a foreign country. I speak English. Everyone here speaks Spanish, habla inglés, or whatever the fuck, man. But it has been absolutely insane. Everyone is super motivated right now and dialed in. Being able to, be around a bunch of people you can bounce ideas off of that you can actually trust. And people, it feels good when someone can ask you, like this is my profession. This is what I love. This is what I do every day. So being around people who actually respect my opinion and are curious what I have to say in order to, maybe help further their business. It feels great, man. Like, it feels great knowing that I'm able to do something I love every day. As far as goals though for being here, I think I'm here till like the 23rd. So I personally want to cross that 5K day mark. I think it's definitely, super possible, super easy. I got a lot of time here, a little bit under 2 weeks. So, if under 2 weeks I can't hit a 5K day, I'll be a little bit upset, but it's crazy. Like, they're literally down there right now. People with the same interests as me, just working in this big ass crib. So just know, man, I look forward to the day, where maybe on the next trip I'm with a bunch of you guys. There's a lot of y'all in the Winners Only Discord who are really killing it. Completely free, by the way, in the description. Thousands of dollars worth of free resources. Y'all want to ask me or any of them questions, they're in there. I'm in there. Just a super motivational period in time for me. Like, just being able to look out at like this island, bro. Like, it's crazy, dude. I've been staring at my fucking like 200 square foot apartment for like a year now, dude. It's wild. But yeah, this week, man, it's going to be a whole lot of grinding. I plan on going live a lot of IRL streams. If you guys saw, I don't know when I'm going to post this, but when we got here, I did an IRL stream. We were literally just like grocery shopping and whatnot. It's just fun, man. Like, just being live with the homies and just like chilling around the city and doing whatever we're doing. So big things coming y'all's way. We're planning a lot of content. We've already started working on a lot of content, a lot of, educational content, etc., trying to bring you guys value. I've never been one too much for like the educational content, as I'm more so, someone who just yaps in front of the camera, but trying to put our minds together to bring as much value as possible. A lot of the time, I don't really believe like in my own skill set, like bringing it onto YouTube and like trying to give you guys info, because I don't know, like, it's just like I still like don't believe in like me being able to teach it properly, even though I've kind of like proven it to myself with helping out the people that I have. So I don't know, that's like a mental barrier I got to get through. But I just want y'all to know I appreciate you guys a lot. It's been a crazy journey so far, and it's only the start, man. Like 1 year, like I plan on doing this thing for 10 plus years. So, my goals are leaving here with, a 5K day in revenue, and I'd also like to build somehow monthly recurring revenue into my store. I've been plotting up a lot of offers, just with the people that are here, trying to figure out how I can grow my brand in that way, because I do have a lot of returning customers and etc. That I think I could build off of. So, hopefully leaving this trip, I have a lot of direction as to how I'm going to build my brand to something that's going to be, a 20K a day brand, a 30K a day brand. And that's not something I could do alone from my bedroom. So, networking is very important. As I've said recently, choose who you keep around. Choose those people wisely, right? Be careful who you keep around. Be smart about it, because, if you keep the right people around, they can greatly impact your life. And if you keep the wrong people around, they can tear you down. So take action, y'all. Never give up. I just wanted to yap in front of the camera. It feels great to be here, and it feels great to know what's going to come in the future. So I believe in you, and you should believe in yourself. I hope you guys have a wonderful night, a wonderful day, wherever you guys are. Yo, literally, Ben Factory, bro, I can literally record this video now, and I can see fucking these motherfuckers right here, bro. It's crazy, dude. It's crazy, bro. I can record a video, and they're right there, bro. If that doesn't speak volumes, bro, take action. Never give up. I believe in you. They believe in you, and you should believe in yourself. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I will catch you guys in the next one.